Cameras check. Tripods check. Ring light check. What's so cool about manufacturing side? Where is it?
Oh no, I sense it's a Stanley Black & Decker.
It's a lot easier to tackle a creative project if everything you need is safe and organized. That's why we went to Stanley Black & Decker in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
At our facility, we manufacture toolboxes.
When people buy from us, they know they're buying the best product name in the world.
Having everything organized, everything in one spot, then you'll be able to work more efficiently.
We provide the best tool cabinets and storage solution to the people that are shaping the world and trying to make it better.
I think I see it somewhere in there.
Our video team chased the What's So Cool About Manufacturing sign through the entire Stanley Black & Decker facility. Along the way, we learned about how the world's best tool cabinets are made.
Everywhere you go, you're gonna see a toolbox. Knowing that you had a part in making that toolbox, that's what makes it cool.
What's cool about manufacturing, there's so many different things you can do in manufacturing. It's always cool, so many opportunities.
We do not discriminate. Whatever nationality you are, whatever you believe in, whoever you love, this is the place where I wanna stay till I retire.
Do you know where our sign is?
I think I see it over by oil well.
Do you see it here by automatic welding?
Yeah, it's right there.
Let's go!
Stanley Black & Decker provides tools and solutions for those who make the world. The goal is to empower people to build a better tomorrow.
There's so many. Where could it be?
Yo lo trato y para muchos son como yo los quiero como si fueran mi familia.
At the end of the day, what's so cool about manufacturing are the excellent jobs at Stanley Black & Decker.
There it is! We finally found it!